Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about this Louis Vuitton bag. But before talking about the bag, I want us to talk about the accessories. Okay, so you see the ribbon here, all the gift the gift lace. You see that Louis Vuitton is well printed on it, pink color, and the ribbon is of blue color. You see, that's how it is. Okay, now this is the other one, this one, and inside there's a little Louis Vuitton maletière à Paris, extérieur cuir de veau double synthétique. Louis Vuitton maletière, outside calf leather and man-made linings. That's what is written on this little paper. And here, inside here, I think it will not be that visible for you to see there. Okay, that's how it is, this one. Now this is the box. You see Louis Vuitton is well printed there. That's how it is. Okay, and behind this box you see the box is made in Vietnam. Okay, our box is made in Vietnam. Even this little packaging is made in Vietnam. All these things are made in Vietnam. Okay, and the closure, it has a magnet closure. Okay, it has a magnet closure. Now when you open it, you see the receipt. The receipt also is made, the carton of the receipt is also made in Vietnam. You can see, you can check it here. Okay, to really see how quality it is. Here in Esquire shop will give you all these kind of things because we know what we are doing. We are professional sellers. Okay, so now this is the receipt. You see that the receipt is here, the style number of the good is here, the date, the payment, and the price. Okay, that's how the address, Louis Vuitton, all these things are here. You can check the receipt. And now if you buy this bag, we can change your name and the price. It depends on the price you want us to put here, so it depends on you. It can be modified due to your command. Okay, that's how it is. Okay, that's the receipt. This carton of the receipt, this box, and this all are made in Vietnam. Okay, so now when you open this is the shopping bag. You see that Louis Vuitton is well printed on the shopping bag. Here you see Maison Fondée en, here all these details, Paris. Okay, and you also see that the shopping bag is also made in Vietnam. You can see that there. Okay, that's the inner part of the shopping bag. And you see that here, the handle here of the shopping bag is textile. You can see that there. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let's talk about the dust bags. And you see that this trio Messager has 3 dust bags, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, So we are finished talking about the box and all the accessories. Now we talk about the dust bags. Okay, so let's take one dust bag because it has a lot of dust bags. You see, let me just take out the bags from the dust bag. Okay, and this is the strap. Okay, so now let's talk about one dust bag. Okay, that's the dust bag. You see the dust bag. Louis Vuitton is well printed there. You can see that, and you would see that the dust bag is here on the dust bag. Louis Vuitton is printed in dark blue, not black. It's dark blue. Okay, so if you buy your Louis Vuitton and it comes on the dust bag is written in black, then meaning it's a fake dust bag. So now you will see that here Louis Vuitton is written in a dark blue color. Okay, so now, and you will see that the workmanship on the Louis Vuitton bag is well done. The stitches are really immaculate. You can see that there. Okay, so when you inside the bag, you see that on the wash tag, you see that the dust bag is made, our dust bag is made in India. Okay, that's where our dust bags are made. So you have to check all these details when you buy your bags. Okay, that's it. Those are the details you have to check. That's the dust bag. Now let's talk about the strap. This is the strap. You see Louis Vuitton is well printed there. You see that there. Louis Vuitton well printed, and you will realize that the hardwares are of silver color, and you see that Louis Vuitton is well printed on the hardwares. You have to check all these details, and you also see that on the strap the stitches are well immaculate. Okay, yeah. Now let's talk about the little the coin pocket or the key handle of this bag, because it's trio messager, meaning 3 bags, trio meaning 3. Okay, so now you see Louis Vuitton is well printed here on the front here, and the color is in reverse eclipse on the front part, but the back part is in eclipse monogram. You can see that there. Okay, and when you open, you can see how smooth the zip is. It goes, just to show you how quality it is. Okay, and here inside is just one pocket. No other compartment is there. That's it. Now let's talk about the other small trio messager. You see that the front part is also in eclipse monogram, reverse eclipse monogram, and here Louis Vuitton is well printed on this part, which is leather, cowhide leather. Okay, and here the back is in eclipse monogram. You can see that there, and you see the hooks here with the leather. You see the stitches on the handles are well immaculate. Okay, the same one here. Okay, so when you open the bag, you see how smooth it is. The zip has to be this easy to open. Okay, you see that there, and when you open the bag, it's just one. Nothing is inside this bag. Okay, you also have to check these for the hooks for that zip. Okay, now let's talk about this other bag. This is the bigger one. Okay, and here is only in Eclipse monogram. It's not the